A major development in the federal corruption case against former Cincinnati Councilman P.G. Sittenfeld. Thanks for joining us at 5:30. I'm Ashley Kirkland.
And I'm Chris Jacobs. The same Justice Department that prosecuted Sittenfeld is now asking a federal judge to dismiss the entire indictment. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson live downtown for us to explain it all. Hey, Karen.
Yeah, hey, Chris, you're right. You know, on the surface, this does seem contradictory. The Department of Justice prosecuted the case against Sittenfeld. They got a conviction, and now the DOJ is asking the indictment be dismissed. But a new factor in all of this is a presidential pardon.
During the course of a federal corruption investigation, P.G. Sittenfeld had multiple meetings with undercover FBI agents posing as wealthy investors.
Honestly, I can sit here and say I can deliver the votes.
In 2022, the former city councilman was convicted on bribery and attempted extortion charges, found guilty of accepting campaign donations in exchange for support on a project. This past March, President Donald Trump pardoned Sittenfeld.
It doesn't expunge the conviction, so generally it's considered that a pardon is an act of mercy rather than an act of justice.
Sittenfeld kept pushing his appeal even after the pardon, something NKU law professor Ken Katkin says is rare.
And I do think his primary concern was about his reputation, about the fact that he has a conviction. Because if he's innocent, you know, he didn't really like the idea, well, I'm guilty, but I'm forgiven. You know, he wanted the court to say he's innocent.
Now another twist. U.S. Attorney Dominic Gerace has filed a motion asking a judge to dismiss the indictment with prejudice, meaning permanently. In a separate filing, the Department of Justice has asked the U.S. Supreme Court to toss Sittenfeld's convictions and returned $40,000 Sittenfeld paid in fines.
In both cases, they're just saying, we want the case to be over. We want Sittenfeld's pardon to be fully effective. And if he thinks there's a few things where he hasn't been made whole yet, you know, we'll make him whole. We'll give him the $40,000 back. We'll expunge the conviction.
If the judge signs off, Sittenfeld's conviction disappears and the case ends. If not, the Supreme Court's decision could take months.
And Katkin also believes the current Justice Department is taking a different stance on these political and public corruption laws used to convict Sittenfeld than previous leadership. Reporting live downtown tonight, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.
All right, Karen, thank you.